Dear English learners, welcome back to our channel Travel with 26 Letters. In this exclusive video, I am going to present you how to use a and an in English with a lot of examples in simple way. You know, at first you have to know one thing. In English, nouns can be divided into countables, uncountables. If you can count them, they are called countables, like 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens, like that. If you can't count them, they are called uncountables, like 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters, 4 waters. You know, we can count pen, man, book, cow, etc. We can't count them sand, rice, love, water. Of course, it has another phrases, but likewise, as a countables, we can't count them uncountables. And again, the countable nouns can be divided into two kinds, singular and plural. If you want to refer to one noun, it is called singular, pen, man, book, cow, etc. If you want to refer to more than one noun, it is considered as a plural, pens, men, books, cows, etc. You know, the most important thing is, when should we keep a or an in English? The rule is, if the noun starts with vowel sound, not vowel sound, at that time we have to keep an before that noun, in front of that noun. You know, in English, A, E, I, O, U are considered as a vowels. But here, the sound is important, not the letter. If the noun starts with consonant sound, that means except these vowel sounds, we need to keep A. Examples. I have a pen. You know, here the pen is noun. Pen, pi is consonant. That's why we need to keep A before that. He is an engineer. Here, engineer, the noun is engineer. It is starting with E sound. That means it is a vowel sound. That's why we need to keep an in front of it. Friends, let me say some examples. I am a student. Student. Here we can hear consonant sound. So we can put A before student. She is an eye surgeon. I, it is a vowel sound. So we keep an before I. There is an egg on the table. An egg. An egg. You know, here E, it is a vowel sound. A, E, vowel sounds. So we must keep an before it. I have an idea. Idea. I, it is a pure vowel sound. So we must keep an before that. An umbrella is useful, mummy. Umbrella. Umbrella. A sound. You can hear A sound at the starting. So we must keep an before it. It is an ox. Ox. You know, I is a pure vowel sound. So we keep an before it. This is a flower. Flower. Fla. Fa. It is a consonant sound. So we must keep A before it. I bought a new phone. New phone. Na. It is a consonant sound. So we must keep A before it. Friends, the next one is, he is an uncle of mine. Uncle. Uncle. Ah, it is a vowel sound. That's why we must keep an before it. He came an hour ago. Hour. You know, it may be starting with H, it is a consonant, but the pronunciation is hour, hour. So, I is a vowel. That's why we have to keep an before it. He is a one-eyed beggar. One-eyed beggar. Wa, it is a consonant sound. That's why we have to keep A before one. But it is starting with consonant. Here, the sound is so important, but not the letter. The next one is, my brother is an MLA. MLA, M. So at the starting we can hear A sound. That's why it is a pure vowel. So we keep an before it. This is a matchbox. Matchbox, ma. Ma is a consonant sound. That's why we have to keep A before it. He is an honorable judge. Honorable, not honorable. You know, at the starting we have to hear. We have to pronounce like this, honorable, not honorable. That's why we can hear at the starting vowel sound. So we have to keep an before it. This is an English lesson. English is a vowel sound. That's why we have to keep an before it. So if you want to know this kind of interesting lessons about English, please visit our channel Travel with 26 Letters. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care. Bye.